Here at GreenTech, we hope you're thoroughly enjoying your pure-air product and all of the benefits it brings to your home. Just like with any air handler, it needs to be regularly cleaned and maintained to ensure longevity and peak performance. We'll show you how. First, you need to turn the unit off and disconnect it from the outlet to disconnect the power. Remove the power adapter from the rear by gently pulling outwards. On the back of the unit, press down on the tab above the power adapter and then pull back on the rear cover. There are 3 filters that need to be removed for cleaning separately. Remove the mesh filter first and disassemble it by separating it from the plastic housing. You can do this by gently pulling on the sides of the housing. You can clean it in one of 2 ways: water or compressed air. Once clean, set it to the side and remove the foam filter and follow the same procedure. Finally, remove the honeycomb filter and again, do the same. Ensure all of your filters are dry before placing them back into the pure-air. Unplug the ARC cell connected to the rear of the unit using the white connector and remove the ARC cell from the unit. Use compressed air or a vacuum cleaner hose to clean the dust out of the ARC cell. It is important to not use any liquid to clean the ARC cell, as this may damage your unit. To clean the purification plate, remove it from the unit by disconnecting the red connector and wiggling gently. Then, use a 50-50 mixture of warm water and clear ammonia. Soak the purification plate for 1 to 8 hours, depending on the severity. Use a soft bristle brush to scrub the center, rinse underwater thoroughly, and allow to completely dry before reinstalling. The purification plate only requires cleaning every 3 months, unless it is subject to smoke, pet hair, or other harsh elements. To clean the interior of your unit, you may use compressed air, a vacuum cleaner, a damp cloth, or a clear alcohol-based cleaner to remove any dirt, debris, or contamination from the walls and components inside of the unit. To reassemble your unit, insert the purification plate, plug it into the red connector, and ensure it's snug. Place the ARC cell back into its designated spot and plug it into the white connector. Reassemble the filters and reinsert in the reverse order that you removed them. The honeycomb should go in first, then the foam, and then finally the mesh. Reinstall the rear cover and stick the power adapter back into its slot on the rear. Plug the power into your unit and set it back to your desired setting. We recommend that you perform this procedure at least once per month to ensure that your pure-air is giving you the desired results for years to come. As always, thank you for being a valued GreenTech customer. We're so thankful that you choose to keep your home clean with us. For more information, please visit our website at greentechenv.com.